Hello and welcome to My Carolina Homestead. My name is Michelle if you're new, and today this is going to be a really short video. I'm just going to use what's left of what we harvested from the garlic that we grew over the fall and winter, and I'm going to turn this into a delicious infused oil. If you have any herbs growing in your garden this year, you can also infuse oils with your herbs. I'm going to be making one out of chives because I have so many chives that I will never be able to use this season. So I'm just going to infuse them in some olive oil. For today, I'm just going to process all of that garlic, and I'm going to peel everything and chop it. And I like to chop for infusion the pieces vertically. This will expose more surface area of the garlic to the oil. So I'm just going to keep chopping and filling my jar with this garlic until I get it all processed. As with any oil infusion, once you've got your oil into your jar with your garlic, you're going to store this in a cool, dark area for about 4 to 6 weeks, and you just want to shake it daily, just like you would if you were making a tincture. Now that I have all my garlic chopped and added into the jar, I'm going to add some olive oil. The finished amount of garlic was 1 full cup, so I'm going to use this entire bottle. This is a new bottle of olive oil, and I'm just going to pour the contents into this quart jar. If you're trying to create a highly concentrated garlic flavor in your oil infusion, then you would add enough oil just to cover the garlic instead of using the whole bottle. Also, keep your olive oil bottle so that when it's time to strain your garlic, you'll have that bottle available to return your infused oil into. Now I'm just going to add the lid to the jar and write the date that this will be finished and ready to use on top of my lid. And there, that is really how simple it is to make a garlic infused oil that you can cook any of your favorite dishes with. Thank you so much for stopping by My Carolina Homestead and spending a little time with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click that notification bell for more videos coming soon. See you next time, and take care.